In this video, I'll try to solve some of the G-Shock challenges. So these are the G-Shock challenges here. The first is like missing encoding. I tried to do this particular thing. So retrieve the photo of this cat. So how to do this? So I already have I have running the G-Shock over here. So here there is something called as photo wall here. So just go to this particular page and where we have like this image is missing over here. So I will just go to this web developer over here, and in that we have like inspector, and we have like network over here. I just refresh this page. So in this particular page we will go to this so here what is happening is now it is encoding is missing over here. So I will just remove this hash here, and I will say like 23, and here also there's a hash here. Just remove this hash and write %23. So just say this thing and the challenge is solved. So this first challenge is solved over here, and we will try to go for the second challenge here. So what is the second challenge? The bully chartboard. So we try to go for we have to register this before doing this challenge. We have to register the account. So I will go to not at a customer. I try to register my account over here. So I will say pra1@gmail.com, and here any password you can give, and the security questions. So what type of security questions you want? You can give anything you want. So I will say like John, and I try to register. So after registering, just try to log in over here at gmail.com. So and say login. So after getting logged in, and so here what I will do is like I will say like chartboard. Okay, so this is the page that we are going. So here what I will do, I type my name. So and you can type like anything you want. Just say X. I will say something. I will try to repeat this statement again and again. Let us see it is working or not. Please give me a discount. So this is the message that I go on repeating this again and again. So just say paste, and I'll try to repeat this. So again I repeat this. Again I repeat this. So this is challenge is solved. So go on repeating the some messages where the challenge is solved here. So I will repeat this. I repeated this message again and again. So this is challenge is solved here. So after this we try to go for the one more challenge here. So what is that challenge? It's like security policies. Behave like a white cat before getting into action. It's just like navigating to the page here. I'll just try to go this side. I'll open one more window and I'll say security.txt. So this is the challenge is solved. So let us see this thing. So this is one of the challenge will be solved over here. So just to close this. Security, behave like a white hat before getting into action. So the third challenge is solved. So let us come back to the fourth challenge over here. So what is the fourth challenge? This is like password strength. So login into user credential without previously changing them or applying the SQL injection. So we should not apply any SQL injection over here. So that we have to do. So how to do this without any SQL injection? We have to log in into the admin account. So I will just log out this, and I will try to log in again. I will just say log out, and so what I will do is I will just go and log in. So I will say like admin. So this I know from my previous videos. We have like I know this thing. So there is resources that I have been giving here. So this is the username and password. We try for a brute force approach every time and try to crack the password here. Username is also already known. Admin 123 is a password. So you can just go on trying something. Will crack the password here. So admin login with the administrative user account. So after this, we go for one more challenge where we have like um, meta geostacking. So this determine the answer to the John security question by uploading to him the photo wall and use it to reset his password via the forgot mechanism. So this how to do this particular uh, challenge, how to solve this particular challenge. So here what we will do is I will download some image here. So we have to download certain image, photo wall. I will say like photo wall here, and this is the image that is like this is the image that I'm going to like I have to download this image, and after downloading this image what I will do is I will try to go for this particular page, and I will try to go for a image viewer. So this particular image viewer will give you the details of the particular coordinates. I'll try to browse and I'll try to load the image here. So I'll say I'm not a robot. So view metadata information. So after getting this metadata information, this is the metadata information. So I'll just go to Google Maps and search this. So when you search this on the Google Map, you'll get this particular forest name. So Daniel Boone National Forest. So this, just copy this. Okay, just copy this particular forest name and just paste it over here. Okay, so we'll go this and we try to go to come back to the juice shop here and try to log in now. So let's say log out. Now we'll go and log in, and I will say like I'll paste it over here. I will say like John. Just say like I'll just paste it, and I will say like this is a John. John at juice shop. So this after logging into this, we just say enter some password here. It will say like invalid password. Just try to log in with some password and say like invalid password. Again, you say like forward password. So forgot password. So you just paste this again. So security question. So answer anything you want. So whatever you have pasted, it's something but Daniel Boom Forest. So this name of the forest you have note down this thing. I'll just paste it over here. Okay. We can type it also. Change this password. So this is solved meta geostacking, where we have tried to reset the password over here. The same thing for IMA also, where you have to download this particular image here. So here I'll say like in photo wall, and then the next challenge that we are concentrating also, and this is the one of the image that I need to download and save this image. So already this image is saved. Just save this image and just open this image here, and after opening this image we have to zoom here. So after zooming you will get certain message over here, IT-sec. So this is the message that I'm going to log in over here. So I'll make use of this. I will enter this particular password for this, and one more challenge will be solved. So we don't have the same thing that we have to mention again and again. So we just paste this over here, and the security questions whichever uh, is nothing but IT-sec. Let's try to set the new password over here. and try to change it. So we have one more challenge is solved, visual geostacking mechanism. So this challenge is solved here, and coming to the this particular admin registration, register as a user with the administrative privilege. So we need a burp suite for that. So what I will do is I will try to go for the burp suite, and I'll try to turn on the intercept here. So after turning on the intercept, I will try to enter my username and password over here. So this is not this is not needed. I just turn off this and try to intercept again. Say login. So here we try to mention the username and password. So what is like we try to register the person here. Again the same procedure I am following, pra123@gmail.com. So now the password is something you can give anything you want. Security questions. So what is the security questions we are trying to say, like middle name, anybody's middle name can be given. So give as registered. So after getting registered, we have not turned on this intercept, I think so. Go to HTTP history whether we are able to get any message. This intercept. So I'll turn on this intercept again. I will go here and try to say not at customer, and I try to register the particular person. gmail.com. So this security question, so answer anything you want. Middle name, and I will say like John. So try to register this. So after getting registering this, we'll get certain message over here. We'll just say like, no, this is the thing that we want. I will send it to the repeater over here, and I will forward this and just stop this interception. So we'll go for this repeater here. Already we have like so what I will do is I will try to register this user as an admin. So just send this. Yes, it is success. So this now the role is like customer. So I'll just change the role. So what I will do is I will just try to again edit this, and I will say role. So what we'll do is I will say like he's a admin. So he has an administrative privilege. So 1 2 3 5 4 6. So this is like having some errors. So just say comma, and I'll send this validation error. So already this email is existing, I think so. So send this. Yes, it is success. So successfully are able to register this email as a administration. So we have solved one more challenge over here. So you can see this coming to this juice shop admin register as a user as a admin administrative privilege. So this challenge is solved. Coming to the post feedback, post some feedback in another username. So this needs burpsuite here again. So what I will do is I'll try to log in over here. Let's say login. So after getting logged in, again make use of intercept here. I'll turn on this intercept, and what I'll do is like I'll try to post the feedback in somebody else's name. So this is the challenge that we need to solve here. Post feedback. Post some feedback in another username. So another username we need to do this. Okay. So I'll just turn off this and I'll go to feedback, customer feedback. Now again I will turn on this intercept here, and here I will say like comments. Hi, hello. Give some ratings. So what is this? 10 plus 9, 19 plus 7. So here it will be like 79 26. The answer is 26. We'll try to submit this. I try to submit, and here in the burst sheet it is intercepted. This is what we want, and I just send it to the repeater. I'll turn on this intercept, and in the repeater what I will do is I will change the user ID such that this is posted by some other user. Now it is posted by the some other user. So here it is success. So one of the challenges is solved over here. So post feedback is solved. So this is the one of the thing this challenge is solved here. Captcha bypass. Submit 10 or more customer feedback within 10 seconds. The same thing, just try to enter password here. Just try to enter the send message. We'll try to send this in within 10 seconds. We'll try to send 10 messages here, and we'll try to see whether this challenge is solved or captcha bypass is solved. So this challenge is solved here, and manipulate the basket, put additional product into the another user basket. So we want to put some we want to transfer certain items from one user to other user. This should not be allowed, but this is allowed here. So okay, so this we like I will go to proxy here again. I will turn on this intercept again. I will come back over here, and just a minute, I will just turn off this and try to shop certain items here. So now I will turn on this intercept, and what I will do is I will try to add to the basket. So we'll just say forward. So this is the message that we want. I will send it to the repeater, and in the repeater we say like I will say the basket ID is, I will change this basket ID. We'll turn off this intercept here. So in the repeater, this basket ID, I will just change this basket ID here. So basket ID is like changing it to certain 7. I just send this out. This is a comma. This is double comma over here, and basket ID I'm just changing. So this is having some foreign key violation. I just say 8. Whether this works. It's having 6, 5 or 3, you can say whether it is working. Yes, it is success. So we have like manipulate basket. We have solved this particular challenge. We are transferring certain items from one user to the other user. Payback time, place an order that makes you rich. So what is the doing is like I'm trying to shop certain items over here. Again, we make use of a burpsuite over here, and try to shop certain items. I will try to shop this thing. So in the basket I have this item. I just delete one item over here. So what I will do is I will turn on this intercept over here, proxy, and turn on the intercept. So after turning on this intercept, I will try to increase the quantity here. So let's just say forward. The quantity is 2 here. So what I will do is I will make it as -1 or -10. Okay, so just forward this, and we say this. Just try to refresh these things. I will turn on this. So after this, what we will do is I will try to go for -1000. I will say -1000 to turn on this proxy here, and not done this, intercepted these things. Okay. So I'll come back to the juice shop here again. We'll try to refresh this page. So this is like minus 1990x. So here we try to check out this. So before checking it, I need to add the address here. In order to place this, I need to add the country and I need to add the name. Add my mobile number. The zip code, the address, the city, the state. So we need to submit this and add this address. After adding this address here, now just I say 1 day delivery, say continue and say pay this amount. So after paying this amount, this particular challenge is solved here. So you can see that place this order and pay. So we have solved this challenge. So payback time, place an order that makes you rich. So this challenge is solved here. So after this we have like forged review. So post a product review as another user or edit an existing review. The same thing, we have to post it as another user and submit the review. So we have like this particular juice shop here, and I'll try to intercept this again, and I'll go to the proxy and I will turn on this intercept. So what I will do is I will try to post something. Hi, hello. So just submit this. So this is thing that is, I will send it to the repeater and just forward this. So turn off this intercept, and again I will come back to this repeater over here. So here I will say like somebody else, like PRA 1 2 3 4 5 that I created earlier. So I'll just say it is success. So here we are posted it as somebody else user. So we can see this by again refreshing this page. 3 videos. So this is posted by this particular person. I have posted it as somebody else review here. This should not happen. So we have exploited one vulnerability over here. So this is the challenge that is solved here. So payback time has solved. Forge review also has been solved. Post a product review as another user. The 12th one we will see it later. So coming to the 13th one, upload size. So upload a file that is larger than 100 KB. So we try to upload a file that is larger than 100 KB. So this is not possible here because it won't allow us to upload. So I just come back over here and try to go to the complaint. So in complaint it will take some message here. I will say hi, hello. So just browse here, and I have created 2 different files that is over 100 and under 100. So if I upload under 100, this is going to take, but if I upload above 100, it won't take. Okay, so you say like browse above 100, over 100. So just try to see this maximum 100 KB is allowed. So we cannot have larger size here. So how to solve this challenge? So what I will do is I will upload under 100. Okay, say open. Now I'll go to burpsuite and I'll try to intercept this. So I'll turn on this intercept, and what I'll say, like I will say submit. Okay, now say this intercepted. Yes, this is intercepted. So what I will do is I will send it to the repeater. In the repeater, what I will do is I will open this particular file created over 100 .pdf. So I will say Control A. I'll copy all these things and I will try to paste it over here. So we will try to paste it over here. All these things. So I will just say send. Whether this challenge is solved. So the intercept is on. Let us turn off this intercept. Okay. Say like turn off this intercept. This challenge is solved. Yes, we have solved this challenge. Upload size larger than 100 KB is solved here. So this is solved here. So let us come back to these things. Order the Christmas special offer 2014. The 14 challenge we have trying to solve. You have to order something like that is already not existing in this juice shop. How to do this? So what I will do is I will try to come for here. I will try to search something over here, and I will try to intercept this. I will turn on this intercept. So I will search like Apple, something like this. So forward these things. Try to do it once again. Try to load this. So what I will do is I will turn on this intercept here. I will search something over here, and I will say Apple over here. So now this, just forward this. We'll try to do it once again. I'll say Apple. Go to burpsuite, and I will try to turn on this intercept and say forward these things. We'll turn on this intercept. After this, I'll just search something over here. I'll say Apple. Forward this thing. So this is the message that we want. I will just send it to the repeater. So in the repeater, what I will do is sending this item here again. So it is not modified. It is still sending as it is. So here we try to view all the items. So how to view all the items? By giving some payload over here, that is malicious payload. I try to insert some malicious payload over here. So this is the payload that I'm going to insert over here. So I will just go to query parameter. I will copy this and try to I'll try to paste it over here. Okay, so this is like, press enter. After pressing enter, I will just say send. Okay, now you can see that this is the Christmas gift that I am trying to order. Okay, Christmas super surprise box. So the ID is 10. So we came to know that the ID is 10. So what I will do is I will go to the, I will turn on this intercept, turn off this intercept. Again, we'll try to shop some items. I will go for this. I will turn on this intercept. Now I will add this to the basket. So in the basket, we are adding certain things. So I will just send it to the repeater over here. I will change the ID to the 10. So already we note down this, what is the ID over here. So we'll turn off this intercept here, and in the repeater I am going to send this product ID. Yes, it is successfully done. So we have solved this challenge here. So we can go to the anyway, the intercept is off. Yes, it is off. So we go to the basket and we have to order this item. Just delete this we have to order this item. So I'll say checkout, and I'll select this address, and I'll continue with this. Choose this delivery, 1-day delivery. So pay this amount. So we have got some amount over here. Place the order and pay. So we have solved the Christmas special order the Christmas special offer of the 2014. So you can print the order confirmation over here. So this challenge is solved. Okay. Christmas special. So retrieve the contents of this particular from the server. So for this thing we have like google.com and file for XML payloads. Search for XML payloads here. So we try to give them entity attack, still XML attack. So this is like we have to retrieve some password file here. So this is the local file that we want to hack here. So this is the file that we want to. This is the XML file that we have to copy and paste it over here. So what I will do is I will try. I already have copied and pasted over here. We can see this over here. So just see, go to terminal over here. You can see like ls here, and I will say like gedit my data 12.xml. So this is what I have already done this thing. So what I will do is I will try to intercept this. I will go for complaint box and say like hi, hello. So now this is, I will go to target and for proxy I'll turn on this intercept, and what is like we try to browse this, and we'll get the XML file over here. So where is the XML file? We'll try to search this. So we'll say all files, get this information, my data 12.xml. So we try to send this, says submit, whether it is intercepted, whether I try to see this. Yes, it is intercepted. So I'll send it to the repeater. So turn off the intercept here, and in this I just say send. So it is like having some errors. So I will just say tab. I'll just give the tab and I'll send this again. So this particular challenge is solved. XSC data access. We can retrieve the etc/password file from the server. So coming to this challenge is solved, and coming to the next one, like user credentials. So we want to retrieve the list of all the user credential via SQL injection. So we make use of SQL injection over here. So in the repeater we are having some already have intercepted few things. Here this is the thing that have intercepted. So what I will do is I will try to retrieve all the user by using this query. I'll try to retrieve all the information. So here I just copy this and paste it over here. Okay. So just press enter. So after pressing enter, we send request here. So it's saying like, okay, so we retrieved all the user information. In this particular case, this is not a password also we are able to retrieve. This is the password that I am able to retrieve. So this should not happen, and this challenge is solved over here. So we can see that user credential, listing the list of users, all the user via SQL injection. So this challenge is also solved. Sleep the server for some time. Server sleep for some time. It has been done more hard work for you. So how to do this challenge here? So in order to do this challenge, we will go to the Jew shop here, and in this particular case, we have like we'll go to targets, and I will try to add this to the scope here. go to rest and products, product 1, we have reviews over here. So what I will do is I will just send this information to the repeater. So in the repeater, what we will do is we try to make the server sleep for some time. So how to do this? So here what I will do is I will just say sleep for 100. So we try to send this. Yes, it is okay. So now the server has slept for some time. So let the server sleep for 10. It has done enough hard work for you. So this challenge is also solved over here. Access log, gain access to any access log file of the server. So it is just like navigating the particular directory. So we already have some in the juice shop. I have some resources here. Access log. So just copy this and paste it over here. Just paste it. Let's say this particular file, and we say that the challenge is solved. Yes, access log, gain access to the access log of the file. Let us see that what is having in this particular file. And after this we have like one more thing, forgotten developer backup access. So access the developer forgotten backup file. So how to do this? So we have like localhost, and you say like FTP here, and I will try to open this, and acquisition MD. So just try to say okay. So see that when the challenge is solved. Yes, confidential document. We are trying to access a confidential document. This is to download this package JSON, and this is getting some error because of the encoding was wrong. So what I will do is I will just say percentage 2500.md. So here it is like downloaded. So we can see that in this particular juice shop the challenge is solved. Poison null bytes, one of the forgotten developer backup file, is also solved. And one more thing is bypassing the security control with the poison null byte to access the file not meant for your eyes. So it is not be seen by the user that to the channel.